In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Midea portable air conditioner error code P1. So it's very easy. Just go and turn off first of all the unit off and unplug the power outlets before doing anything else. Then we would like to drain the water. So place a shallow pan or tray behind the unit, then remove the bottom drain plug. Allow all the water to drain out, tilt the unit back slightly to drain any remaining water if needed. Once you drain all the water, you would like to reinstall the drain plug. Reinstall the drain plug securely and make sure it's fully tightened to prevent any leaks. Once you do that, we would like to plug the air conditioner back in and turn it on as well. If the P1 code disappears, the problem has been solved. Sometimes you may get some of the common problems, which is P1 comes back immediately. If that happens, just check that the drain plug is installed correctly, or make sure the unit is standing on a level surface. And if you're using a continuous drain hose, check that it isn't, as an example, kinked or blocked. If the room is very humid as well, in very humid condition, the internal tray fills more quickly, so you may need to drain the units more often or uses a continuous like drain hose if your model supports it. And if the error won't clear after draining, if the tray has, as example, been completely emptied and the P1 still appears, the float switch or another internal component may be faulty. So you would like to contact the media support or maybe contact a qualified technician for a service. So that's how you fix the P1 error code on your Midea portable air conditioner. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.